I'm staying at the Marriott Biscayne Bay in Miami, and I'm going to show you what a king size room looks like. This is on the bay side, so they call this a full bayside view. So I'll let you take a look at the room. And the hotel has been renovated in the last few years. So this room appears to be renovated. I think I stayed in this same room or one close to it before. But you have the full-size bed, the vanities on each side, charging stations, and electric. This is the restroom, and it has the automatic lights, a vanity mirror, and sink with towels and hair dryer below. And there's a mirror. Seems to have some fingerprints on the mirror, and I just arrived. This is the shower, and there's the shower head. This is in the zone shower gel, shampoo, and conditioner. And that's about it for the restroom. I do like these frosted doors that you have here going into the restroom. And then there's a closet with a safe, ironing board, and some hanging space. I think they do have dry cleaning service available. And over here you have the workspace area and a small fridge, mini fridge down here. And then you have your little coffee maker under here, and I'm assuming they have all the coffee supplies in there. A drawer for some storage. They have the recycle bins and trash down here. And this is an adjoining room, so I don't know if I'll hear noise tonight or not. There's a little seating area over here. And there's not much of a view out this window, but if you look down below, they have been working on these condos forever. Last time Richey and I and my son and daughter-in-law stayed here in 2023, they were still working on that pool over there. So it's still under construction. And here is the little balcony area, small, with 2 chairs. And it's going to be noisy when I step outside. And here's the view of the bay. I'll just zoom in so you can see a little. The bay view from these rooms are not as great as on the other side. He said this is a full bay view, but I booked this with points, so I think it's probably one of their less desirable locations, but I can't complain since it is a free comped room, and it'll be just fine for me. So I'll be here just this evening, and tomorrow I am going on a Virgin cruise. So that's a new one too. And stay tuned if you're into cruising. Just stay tuned, and I will post those videos when I get back. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing to my channel to allow my small channel to continue to grow and to allow me to continue putting content out there. And that's about it for now. I'll see y'all next time. Thanks for watching.